Hey everybody, this is Andrew at 9 weeks today. How old are you? That's right, 9 weeks right there. And he's kicking, he's getting ready to go to bed, and he's talking. And he's eating his whole fist. You say something? Hi. What's that? Yeah? You love me? I love you. You say something else? You camera shy? Huh? Huh? You give a big smile? You give a big smile? Hi. Can you give a big smile? Yeah. That's your little lizard for you. So there you go, folks.